California is the second largest rice producer in the United States. As of 2019, over 498,000 acres are planted in rice. According to a Placer County report I found, rice brought in almost $28 billion in 2023 to the Placer economy. Today I went out to my friend Walter Fickworth, who's harvesting rice north of Lincoln on Dowd Road, and got a little bit of video of them harvesting rice. The modern combine is a pretty incredible piece of equipment. It cuts the rice, then ends up sorting the chaff from the rice grains, stores the rice in the back, and then eventually it's offloaded into trailers to be transported to dryers. I wonder how many boxes of Rice-A-Roni are created for every 10 foot that they harvest. California ricelands provide critical habitat for hundreds of species. Over 230 wild species, including shorebirds, millions of ducks and geese, migrate along the Pacific Flyway each year. It's incredible to go out toward Pleasant Grove area and see the fields full of geese, the multiple herons and egrets, and all the other wetlands animals that are in the fields. These farmers spend many hours planting, harvesting, and tending their crops. It's one of the largest exports from the United States to other countries. At the end of the field, there are trucks that are used to transport the rice to grain dryers. In the foreground, you can see a rice bank-out wagon. When multiple people are working, they can offload the rice into the bank-out wagon and then transport it to the trucks. But when it's only one person, the harvester will drive over to the trailers and empty their load. Years ago, I worked in Pleasant Grove building farm equipment, and one of the things we built was a rice bank-out wagon. I have a special place in my heart for all the agriculture in Placer County. I grew up in here and hauled cattle and raised cattle in the local area, and it saddens me to see so much of the land that was cattle and farmland that's being covered up with homes. So when you go to the grocery store and you fill your basket full of food, thank a farmer. They only get a small percentage of the profit from your dollar, in spite of the fact that they put so much effort out and take the risks that are involved with producing the products. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you'd like to see more, go on YouTube and search for Dave Lightfoot. I'd like to give a special thanks to Walter Fickworth and his family for letting me come out and shoot some video of them out harvesting. I hope you have a great day and get out there and enjoy this beautiful weather.